Good morning, traders. Today's Friday, November 22nd. Happy Friday, folks. Looking forward to wrapping up another solid week over here with BlueHorseshoeStocks.com. Today we're going to take a look at PHOT. That's Growlife Inc. trading on OTCBB. And we've been a firm believer in this stock for quite some time. We've actually been tracking this one for over a year now. And it's had some crazy volatile swings for some huge percentage gains. And just recently, we're making another one of those big percentage moves. Key thing about this break here yesterday, we opened above the 50-day moving average, had a big day, stock climbed close to 30% at the end of the day. At one point, it was up more like 40-50%, reached a high of 091, ended up closing out the day at 082. Now let's talk about this chart a little bit more in depth. Right here you can see we had a double top in August and September range. Then once we broke through that double top in September, the stock had a nice breakout. And then notice this double top, which was our previous resistance, held as support. After this consolidation on this recent run, we consolidated and then it held support, but it held above these previous resistance. So we like seeing future support off of previous resistance, and that's exactly what we got here this week. We had a consolidation after this big run up, and now look, this previous resistance here around 6 cents held as our support. So we're going to be looking at that as our future support line. We also have the 50 DMA as support, so we have support at 6 and 7 cents. Below that 6 cent support, we have the 200-day moving average at 053. That's going to be another key level of support. So we want to keep an eye on these levels of support. We want to make sure they hold in the future. What I like about this RSI is that it's pointing north. The RSI is getting through the 50 line. Once the RSI gets through the 50 line, that shows that the stock has some strength. We'll be looking for a continuation of this RSI to continue to climb north. If we get back above that 70 line, that's going to be a signal that we're in the power zone, and stocks tend to break out when they're in the power zone. Notice the last 3 times that the RSI was in the power zone, the stock pushed higher. So we'll be looking for a continuation of that pattern. We also have the MACD that's setting up for a possible cross. We'll be looking for these blue bars on the histogram to continue to taper down and flip over to the bullish side. Nice recent spike in volume, so the stock has been under heavy accumulation. We definitely like what we see with PHOT. We've been tracking this stock for a long time. It's presented many opportunities to make a nice profit, so we definitely want to keep an eye on this stock in the future. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to stop by our blog at BlueHorseshoeStocks.com for updates on Growlife Inc. That's PHOT. Make it a great day and enjoy your weekend out there.